Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to see different kind of a date function which are available in PySpark. So in this video, we are going to see three date function. One is current date, another is date format, and third is toDate. So current date is used to get the system current date. Date format function is used to format the date in the specified format. We will look into our exercise how we are going to format the date in a specified format. This toDate function is used to convert string into date type. So this function is very important. Most of the time in the legacy system, date is stored into the string, and whenever you are going to migrate those data into cloud with the help of Databricks, so most of the time we are going to use toDate function to convert string into date type. So in this exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to import all the required libraries. Here we are creating one data frame with the help of this spark.range function, and we are storing only 10 records in it. Here what we are doing with the help of with column function, we are creating a column named as AP current date, and we are populating the value with the help of a current date. So what current date will going to do, it will fetch the system date and it will populate the value in this column. Now we are creating with the help of a with column function, we are creating a new column, and what we are doing, we are just formatting a date. So what the date format will going to do, we will going to specify a date type or string over here, and we will say that we need to format the date in this format. So here the format is the day, year, month and day is separated by hyphen. Now here the year, month and date will be separated by colon, and the position is also changed. First it will show month, then date, then year. Same in this what we are doing, here we are creating a new column, and in the new column what we are going to do, this is the date which is present into a list. We are going to convert that list into, sorry, not list, string into date column, and we are displaying the different data frame which we have created above with the help of a display function. So let's see how it works in Databricks. Let's create a notebook. Name it as date function. Let's connect this notebook with our currently running cluster. Now import the required library from PySpark.sql.functions. Import star. Now create a data frame with the help of a range function. AP underscore data underscore df equal to spark dot range, and what is the amount what is the range is 10. So 10 data points it will going to create. Let's display it. We can see these are the 10 records which is getting populated. Okay, this is the data frame which we have created with the help of a range function. Now let's see how different type of date function it will going to use. In this notebook we are going to see the three different kinds of date function. AP on top of this data frame, let's create a column with the help of a with column function. Name it as AP current date. AP And how it will going to populate? It will going to populate with the help of a current date function. Let's run it. Let's display the content. So what this AP current date column has, it will going to take the system date with the help of a current date function and going to populate in this newly created column. Let's see another date function. So we need to create the column in this. We can create on top of this only, it's not a problem. So with column, what is the column name? Column name is AP new date for new date format. Okay, so how we are going to populate this value? We are going to populate this value with the help of a date format. In date format, we are going to pass a string as 2023 dot hyphen 10 hyphen 10. Okay, now let's on top of this data frame, let's create one column. The column is AP new date format. We are going to format this date into this date format. mm.dd dot yyyy. Let's run it. Okay, what is the mistake I have made? Okay, this is present in single quotes. That's why it's giving error. Now this data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the data in it. See, this is the month, date, and year format. Earlier, it is separated by hyphen. Now it is separated by dot. Let's see how we are going to convert a string into date. AP underscore new to date df. Now let's create on top of this data frame. That with column. What is the name of the column? AP and AP underscore to date. How we are going to populate data? We are going to populate by using toDate function, and in this we are just converting this date into this string into date. And what is the format of the date? Format of the date could be dd yyyy. Let's run it. This data frame has created successfully. Let's see the content. See, this is converted into date from string to date. So in this way, we have seen how we can use current date function, how we can use date format function, and how we can use toDate function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.